A few months ago, a shopper named Daniel stood in front of the breakfast sausage freezer with two packages in his hands. One package said premium, the other said all natural. Both showed golden sausage links beside eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee. Both looked almost identical, and both seemed like an easy source of protein for a busy morning. Daniel chose the package with the cleaner-looking design. He assumed the simpler wrapper meant the simpler product. But when he turned the package around, the ingredient list told a very different story. There was pork, but there was also corn syrup, flavoring, preservatives, added sugars, and several ingredients he had never expected to find in something marketed as traditional breakfast sausage. That does not automatically make the product dangerous, but it revealed something important. The image on the front was selling breakfast. The label on the back was explaining the food. Today, we are examining 7 popular breakfast sausage products that deserve a closer look, followed by 3 options with noticeably simpler ingredient lists. This is not a declaration that an entire company is good or bad. Different products from the same brand can use very different formulas. We are looking at specific products, specific labels, and the information available at the time of research. And the first product demonstrates why the exact package matters. Number 7. Jimmy Dean Heat and Serve Original Sausage Patties. At number 7 is Jimmy Dean Heat and Serve Original Sausage Patties. The front of the package presents a familiar breakfast product. Small sausage patties, fast preparation, recognizable branding, and the convenience of a product that can go from freezer to plate in minutes. But the ingredient list is more complicated than many shoppers may expect. The current product information lists pork and mechanically separated turkey near the beginning. It also lists soy protein concentrate, sodium phosphates, monosodium glutamate, caramel color, dextrose, sugar, spices, and natural flavors. None of those ingredients, by themselves, proves that the product is unsafe. But together, they reveal that this is not simply pork, salt, and spices shaped into patties. It is a heavily standardized convenience product designed for consistency, shelf life, texture, color, cost, and rapid preparation. The mechanically separated turkey is especially important because many shoppers may look at the package and assume they are buying a straightforward pork sausage. The product still contains pork, but it is not exclusively pork. Soy protein concentrate also contributes to the structure of the patties. Sodium phosphates can help retain moisture and improve texture. Caramel color contributes appearance. And flavoring ingredients help keep the experience consistent from package to package. Again, this is not evidence of poison. It is evidence of formulation. That distinction matters. The problem is not that processed food exists. The problem begins when shoppers believe they are purchasing something much simpler than the label actually describes. Jimmy Dean Heat and Serve patties may still be convenient. They may still taste good, and they may still fit some budgets and routines. But if your goal is a sausage built primarily from meat and seasoning, this is one of the weaker matches in the comparison. Number 6. Owens Original Pork. Sausage Links at number 6 is Owens Original Pork, Sausage Links. This product begins with pork and water. That sounds straightforward. But the remaining ingredients include dextrose, monosodium glutamate, flavorings, potassium lactate, BHA, and BHT. BHA and BHT are antioxidants used to help protect flavor and delay oxidation. Their presence does not mean the product is automatically dangerous, but many shoppers who actively seek shorter or more recognizable ingredient lists prefer products that do not rely on them. Potassium lactate supports preservation and moisture control. Dextrose contributes sweetness and browning. MSG enhances savory flavor. And the beef collagen casing helps create a consistent link shape. The product performs exactly as a mass-market breakfast sausage is expected to perform. It is predictable, convenient, flavorful, and designed to remain stable through processing, distribution, refrigeration, and cooking. But this is also why reading only the word pork on the front is not enough. The product is pork-based. It is not merely pork and spices. For consumers who do not mind these ingredients, that may not be a problem. For consumers specifically searching for a simpler formula, it deserves a closer look. Number 5. Johnsonville Original Breakfast Sausage Links. At number 5 is Johnsonville Original Breakfast Sausage Links. Johnsonville is strongly associated with sausage. That familiarity can create trust before the shopper even reads the package. The current ingredient information begins with pork and water. It also lists corn syrup and smaller amounts of pork broth, salt, sugar, natural flavors, lemon juice powder, dried vinegar, BHA, propyl gallate, and citric acid. The ingredient list is not unusually long for a conventional mass-market sausage, but it contains several components that many shoppers may not expect in an everyday breakfast link. Corn syrup contributes sweetness and functionality. BHA and propyl gallate help protect the product against oxidation. Citric acid and vinegar-related ingredients support stability and flavor. These ingredients have practical manufacturing purposes. The label is not hiding that. The question is whether the product matches your personal expectation. If you expect a classic sausage made from pork, salt, and spices, the formula is more complicated than that. If you expect a highly consistent commercial product that cooks predictably and tastes the same every time, the formula makes more sense. The lesson is not that recognizable brands are automatically worse. The lesson is that brand recognition is not ingredient transparency. Number 4. Bob Evans Original Pork Sausage. Links at number 4 is Bob Evans Original Pork Sausage links. The product is built primarily from pork and water. The seasoning includes salt, dextrose, spices, flavoring, monosodium glutamate, maltodextrin, and natural flavor. The formula also includes potassium lactate and a beef collagen casing. Compared with some products lower in the ranking, this list is less complicated. But it still relies on more than meat and traditional seasoning. Maltodextrin can act as a carrier for flavors and help with texture. Potassium lactate supports preservation. MSG contributes savory intensity. And flavoring ingredients help the product maintain a consistent profile. The nutrition panel deserves attention too. Breakfast sausage is often calorie-dense because fat is central to its flavor and texture. That is not a secret defect. It is part of what sausage is. But it means portion size matters. 2 or 3 small links can look visually modest while still contributing a meaningful amount of saturated fat and sodium. Bob Evans lands in the middle because it is not the most complicated product in the comparison, but it is also not one of the simplest. Number 3. Jimmy Dean Original Premium Fresh Pork Sausage. At number 3 is Jimmy Dean Original Premium Fresh Pork Sausage. This product demonstrates why 2 items from the same brand should not be treated as identical. Unlike the heat-and-serve patties, the fresh pork sausage begins with pork and water and does not include mechanically separated turkey or soy protein concentrate. The ingredient list includes corn syrup, salt, natural flavor, vinegar, sugar, pork broth, and monosodium glutamate. That is still more formulated than a minimal sausage, but it is substantially easier to understand than the frozen convenience patties examined earlier. The words fresh and premium do not guarantee a perfect ingredient list, but in this case, the product is more directly centered on pork. It still uses sweeteners and flavor-enhancing ingredients, and sodium remains relevant, but the overall structure is less complex. This is an important point. A brand can sell one product that fits your preferences and another that does not. Shopping by logo alone removes the most useful information from the decision. Shopping by exact product brings the label back into the conversation. Number 2. Johnsonville Fully Cooked Original Breakfast Sausage Patties. At number 2 is Johnsonville Fully Cooked Original Breakfast Sausage Patties. This formula begins with pork and water. It contains less than 2% of natural flavor, salt, encapsulated salt, sugar, dextrose, potassium lactate, sodium diacetate, yeast extract, and citrus extract. This is still a processed convenience product. The preservation system is part of what allows it to remain fully cooked, packaged, and ready to heat. But compared with Johnsonville's fresh original breakfast links, this particular formula avoids corn syrup, BHA, and propyl gallate. That does not automatically make it nutritionally superior. It simply makes the ingredient strategy different. The sodium and saturated fat still matter. The portion still matters. And fully cooked still means the product is designed around convenience and stability. But within a conventional supermarket category, this is a more restrained formula than several options already discussed. At number 1 among the 7 products that deserve a closer look is Jimmy Dean All-Natural Fully Cooked Pork Sausage Patties. The ingredient list is relatively short: pork, water, salt, oat fiber, spices, sugar, and dextrose. That is significantly simpler than the brand's heat-and-serve patties. It does not rely on mechanically separated turkey. It does not list soy protein concentrate, and it does not use the longer preservation and flavor system found in several products lower in the ranking. But the nutrition panel still matters. A short ingredient list does not erase saturated fat, calories, or sodium. The product remains pork sausage. It is not transformed into a universally healthy food because the label is shorter. That is another mistake shoppers make. Some people assume that a long ingredient list automatically means dangerous. Others assume that a short ingredient list automatically means healthy. Neither conclusion is reliable by itself. A short list can improve transparency, but quantity, frequency, portion size, sodium, saturated fat, allergies, and individual goals still matter. And now we reach the 3 products with the simplest ingredient lists in this comparison. The first simpler option is Applegate Natural Chicken and Apple Breakfast Sausage. The ingredient list begins with chicken, dried apples, and water. The remaining ingredients are small amounts of honey, salt, spices, and parsley. This is easy to understand. The chicken provides the base, the apples and honey contribute sweetness, and the spices create the breakfast sausage flavor. There is still sugar from the fruit and honey. There is still sodium. And the product may not satisfy someone specifically looking for traditional pork sausage. But the relationship between the ingredient list and the physical product is clear. The sweetness is not mysterious. The meat source is explicit, and the formula does not depend on a long series of preservatives or flavor systems. This is where the comparison becomes useful. Applegate is not automatically better for every shopper. It may cost more. It may be harder to find. And some people may simply prefer pork. But for someone prioritizing a concise ingredient list, this product is easy to evaluate. Number 2. Pedersen's Fully Cooked Mild Breakfast Sausage Links. At number 2 is Pedersen's Fully Cooked Mild Breakfast Sausage Links. The ingredient list is remarkably direct. Pork, water, vinegar, salt, and spices including ginger, nutmeg, sage, black pepper, and red pepper. That is close to what many people imagine when they think about traditional sausage: meat, moisture, acidity, salt, and seasoning. A simple formula does not mean unlimited consumption. This is still sausage. Sodium and saturated fat still deserve attention. And simplicity does not guarantee that everyone will prefer the flavor. But the label leaves very little ambiguity about how the product is built. There are no vague claims doing the heavy lifting. The ingredients tell the story clearly. We are now a little beyond the halfway point, so here is the only request in this video. If you value product investigations based on the complete label rather than the largest claim on the front, subscribe to Behind the Label. Now let's finish with the simplest option in this comparison. Number 1. Applegate No Sugar Chicken and Herb Breakfast Sausage. At number 1 is Applegate No Sugar Chicken and Herb Breakfast Sausage. The ingredient list begins with chicken and water. The remaining ingredients are sea salt, spices, and sage. That is the entire basic structure. There is no added sugar, no corn syrup, no long preservative system, no alternative meat source hidden behind the main product identity, and no elaborate flavor system required to explain what the sausage is. This does not mean it wins every nutritional category. Some shoppers may prefer pork, some may want a sweeter maple or apple profile, some may dislike the texture of chicken sausage, and the sodium still needs to be considered. But as a matter of ingredient transparency, this product is the clearest in the group. The product name describes the food. The ingredient list explains the product, and the front and back of the package tell a consistent story. That is what earns it the number 1 position. Final comparison. Here is the final breakdown. Jimmy Dean Heat and Serve Original Patties use pork, mechanically separated turkey, soy protein concentrate, phosphates, MSG, caramel color, and other ingredients to create a consistent convenience product. Owens Original Pork Sausage Links include BHA and BHT, along with flavoring and preservation ingredients. Johnsonville Original Breakfast Links use corn syrup and an antioxidant system that includes BHA and propyl gallate. Bob Evans Original Pork Sausage Links use a more moderate but still formulated combination of flavoring, MSG, maltodextrin, and potassium lactate. Jimmy Dean Original Fresh Pork Sausage is simpler than the brand's frozen patties, but still includes corn syrup, sugar, flavoring, and MSG. Johnsonville fully cooked patties use a different formula that avoids some of the ingredients in the brand's fresh links, but still relies on preservation and flavor components. Jimmy Dean all-natural pork patties offer a comparatively short list, although saturated fat, sodium, and portion size still matter. Then the three simpler products. Applegate Chicken and Apple uses chicken, apples, water, honey, salt, spices, and parsley. Peterson's mild breakfast links use pork, water, vinegar, salt, and spices. And Applegate No Sugar Chicken and Herb uses chicken, water, sea salt, spices, and sage. The purpose of this ranking is not to turn one ingredient into a villain. It is to show how much variation exists inside a category that looks nearly identical from the front of the freezer. Two packages may both say, breakfast sausage. One may contain little more than meat, water, salt, and spices. Another may combine several meats, protein concentrates, sweeteners, preservatives, colors, and flavor systems. Both are legally sausage products, but they are not the same food experience. This choice also may not be the best choice for every person. Price matters, availability matters, taste matters, cooking convenience matters, and nutrition goals matter. A shopper watching sodium may reach a different conclusion from someone avoiding added sugar. A person with a soy allergy will read the list differently from someone without one, and someone who eats sausage once a month may approach the category differently from someone who eats it every morning. That is why the strongest habit is not memorizing a list of brands to fear. It is learning how to read the exact product in your hand. Start with the meat source, then check the serving size. Review sodium and saturated fat. Look for added sugars. Read the full ingredient list, and compare products that actually serve the same purpose. We used that same method in our protein bar investigation, where some products with the lowest sugar numbers had the most complicated formulas. And in our other label breakdowns, the pattern keeps returning. The front tells you what the company wants you to notice first. The back tells you what the product actually contains, which brings us back to Daniel, standing in the freezer aisle with two almost identical packages in his hands. He thought he was choosing between two pictures of breakfast, but he was really choosing between two ingredient lists.